Idol, sample naman ng progressive overload. Okay, sample. Ngayon, naka-dumbbell curl ka. 5 pounds, 10 reps. Next week, yung 5 pounds na yan, pwedeng 11 reps or 12 reps. Progressive overload. Nag-progress ka ng load sa muscle. Or after 2 weeks, yung 5 pounds na 10 reps, ginawa mong 6 pounds na 10 reps. Nag-a-add ng weight or na reps. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng set. Kunwari, 5 pounds ka nagsimula ngayon. Next week, nagdagdag ka na reps, 11 reps, 3 sets pa rin. The following week, which is the second week, pwedeng nagdagdag ka ng 4th set na puro 11 reps. Progressive overload. So word na progress, nagpo-progress, nag-i-increase. And then after, magdi-deload tayo kasi ang muscles natin nagde-develop kasi maganda yung blood flow, recovery. Pero yung tendons, yung joints, yung ligaments, may mga tinatawag silang white zone, yung walang daloy ng dugo. So matagal yun bago mag-progress at mag-build and repair. Tama kayo, mali ako. I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy.